the well-being of the Queen.
Milady, this does not feel
Attacking the
safe.
camp would be ill-advised.
He's on our side. I have no choice, Talion. I need my mother's elixir.
Even the stranger says this is a fool's errand.
I know who she reminds you of, Talion. She is of this world. You are not.
Enough! We attack as planned.
I will take care of the orcs.
We could follow behind unseen.
We get the medicine, and we leave.
All of our enemies are compared to us. That's because we never retreat and never surrender. All at once now! Look at this guy! I suppose the talk's gone. War chiefs is dropping like flies with the Grey Walker around. No way I want to be one now.
They must know that she will risk everything to protect their queen.
She knows without the keystone, the arch will fall.
Watch the men, folk! Don't let them get away! If you scare the big skins enough, they all huddle together. It isn't just about how much you train. You either have the skill deep in your blood, or you don't. There's something about it that can drive the bravest of Uruk-hai gibbering with fear.
Where was you running to earlier?
Where was you earlier? Nah, I was guarding slaves at the dig.
Find anything worthwhile?
Someone's killed him. Quick, to the beacon! Look!
Ithariel's drive is infectious. I can see why men follow her conviction.
A bunch of Mordor got killed by cannibals. Hopefully, these will be destructive. Taking on those of us that are alive. Grey Walker ought to come down off that caracal and fight me face to face, not like a coward. If I get half a whiff of the Ranger, I'll have him on his knees with his heart cut out in no time. Oh, the chief opens his gob and everyone stops and listens. That's afraid of him.
Like a bit of Uruk fighting Uruk, do you? Come on then, join in!
Did you find what you needed?
Yes. Take this to the Queen immediately.
I doubt any medicine of men will cure her queen.
Let's hope that it heals your mother.
We found this message. Orc leaders plan a gathering by the fishing village. We can prepare an ambush. I owe you a great thanks.
I'm glad to be of assistance.
We're lucky to have you.
These are not your people, Talion. Remember your wife and son.
Well, I mustn't keep you.
Yes. Every moment is precious.
Ithariel's strength shines through her leadership.
It's reflected in the eyes of her people with respect rather than fear.